In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from your Coinbase wallet to another wallet. This is a straightforward process, but ensuring you do it correctly is crucial to securely send your assets where they need to go. Let's dive in. First things first, you want to open up your Coinbase wallet on your device and log in with your credentials. Remember, ensuring that you're accessing an official and secure network helps protect your financial assets. If you're using biometric or two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy to simplify the process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send Receive option on the main screen. This is where all the magic happens for today's task. You'll want to tap on Send because our goal is to move crypto out of this wallet and into another. Make sure to take your time here and choose the correct option to prevent any mishaps. Next, it's time to choose which cryptocurrency you'd like to transfer. Coinbase Wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, so ensure you select the correct one. This is an essential step, as choosing the wrong currency could result in sending your funds incorrectly. Double-check that you're sending the intended cryptocurrency. After choosing the cryptocurrency, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. This can often be inputted using a simple copy-paste, but make sure to carefully review the accuracy of the address so that your funds don't get lost. Alternatively, if you have access to a QR code, use your phone's camera to scan it. QR codes reduce the risk of manual entry errors, providing a more secure way to input the receiving address. With the recipient address accurately in place, go ahead and input the amount of crypto you'd like to send. Consider any minimum transfer amounts or limits imposed, either by Coinbase or the receiving wallet. Being aware of these factors beforehand can save you a lot of time and potential hassle. Before finalizing your transfer, it is critical to review all of your transaction details. This includes the recipient's address, the amount being sent, and any network fees associated with the transaction. Network fees can vary based on the blockchain network's current traffic, so make sure you're comfortable with the costs involved. This extra step assures that everything is accurate and meets your expectations. Once you have verified all details, you are ready to confirm the transfer. After hitting confirm, you'll need to wait for the transaction to be processed, which can take varying amounts of time depending on the cryptocurrency and network conditions. You can check on the status of your transfer within the app to ensure everything goes through smoothly. And there you have it, a successful crypto transfer from your Coinbase wallet to another wallet. With practice, this process will become second nature, paving the way for seamless management of your digital assets.